Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, we were doing exemplar solutions of the class 6th from the unit number 3 integers. In our previous sessions, we could complete MCQ type questions, true or false type questions, and even fill in the blank type questions. And till the question number 61 we solved in our previous session 4, and in today's session we will start from the question number 62nd onwards. So coming to the question number 62, in question number 62 we are asked to write opposite of each of the following. So here if you want to write opposite, you need to observe the keyword. The keyword, for example, in the case of this B, failure. Opposite to this failure is success. Like similarly, we need to observe in a given sentence what is the keyword to whom we can write opposite. For example, in the case of D, 1000 AD, here AD is the keyword. So opposite of this is 1000 years BC, before Christ. Similarly, in the case of F, 60 kilometer south, south is the keyword to which we will write opposite, and it is 60 kilometer north. Like that you need to observe. Now coming to the question number A, decrease is the keyword, so opposite of it will be increase. So you need to write separately as a sentence. For example, here we have already written, since they are very simple, but when it comes to the A, we need to write increase in size will be the right sentence. And coming to the C, we need to write it as the keyword is profit, opposite of profit is loss, loss of rupees 10. And when it comes to the E, rise, so opposite of rise is fall, fall in water level. So similarly you need to write rest of the things. Now I'll tell you only the keyword, and opposite of it you write the sentences how I have shown in the case of A, C and E. Now coming to the G, 10 meter above, above is the keyword, to that opposite is below. And in the question H, 20 meter below the danger mark of the river Brahmaputra, here below is the keyword, opposite of it is above. In the case of I, winning by a margin of 2000 votes, the keyword is winning and opposite of it is losing, LOSING. Next, in the case of J, depositing rupees 100 in the bank account, keyword of depositing for that opposite is withdrawing, means taking away. Next, in the case of K, 20 degrees Celsius rise. Rise is the keyword, and for that opposite is fall. So with these words you have to write the sentence on your own. Now coming to the question number 63. In question number 63, temperature of a place at 12 noon was 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature increased by 3 degrees Celsius. Increased means added in first hour, and decreased means subtracted by 1 degree Celsius in the second hour. What was the temperature at 2 p.m.? So for this, temperature at 2 p.m. is 5 degrees Celsius. To that increase means we will add in the next hour, and in the next hour decrease means we will subtract 1 degree Celsius. Now I am simplifying. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 7, so 7 degree Celsius will be the right answer. Now coming to the question number 64, write the digits 0 to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 in this order. That means first of all we have to write these digits, and after writing in between them we are asked to place the sign plus or minus so that the result gets plus 3. Now students, there are so many possibilities of writing, so I will write one or two of them. One, I am placing here 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. That means sum of these up to 6 will be 21, and this gives you minus 20. Here 7, 8 and 9, their sum is 24, and difference here. Now I think here we are getting, so I will place this as plus 6. That means I will have it becoming 30, rather this I will take minus now. So 15, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15, plus 9 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, they will become minus 21. So it is 24 minus 21 and gives you plus 3. If it would have been minus 3, what was written earlier would have correctly suited. Here this is one possibility. Other possibility could be 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, which gives me this minus 21 and plus 24, which gives plus 6. Whatever I have written there, I just, instead of taking first addition symbols, I have taken subtraction symbols. That also gives. So many possibilities are there. So this is one of the possibility, another is this one. we can write any possibilities. Then coming to the question number 65, write the integer which is its own additive inverse. You know, 0 is the one which acts as additive inverse of itself. Write 6 distinct integers whose sum is 7. Just like earlier question, this is also, we can write many possibilities. Choice is ours. We can write 0 plus, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4, and added to minus 3 gives plus 7. This is one possibility. And we can write some other possibilities also. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 6 plus minus 2 added to minus 3 gives also plus 7. This is another possibility. So many possibilities are there. Any one you can write. Coming to the question number, this is 66. Coming to the question number 67. Write the integer which is 4 more than its additive inverse. This is important question. See children, to solve this question you need to think like this. Let's say x is the integer and its additive inverse is minus x, and write the integer which is 4 more than its additive integers. That means to this 4 more will give you the integer. That means here x equals to minus x plus 4, it becomes an equation, that is simple equation. Here minus x is a subtrahend. From RHS if you send to LHS, it becomes addend. It implies x plus x is 2x equals to 4. It implies x equals to 2. So that integer is 2, and 2 is 4 more than its additive inverse minus 2. So this is how we solve, and this sort of questions are very important. There are 2 more questions. Anyway, we are going to solve them too. Coming to the question number 68. Write the integer which is 2 less than its additive inverse. Same type of question. Let the integer is x and its additive inverse is minus x, and we are looking for 2 less than its additive inverse. Means from this if I take out 2, I will get the additive inverse less than that. 2 gives you the integer. Same way 2x equals to minus 2. By taking minus x that side it becomes addend, you have already seen, and 2 is multiplying, if it comes this side it divides. You know how to solve it. So minus 2 divided by 2 gives minus 1. That integer is minus 1. So we can say that's how when minus 1 gives 1 minus 2. Similarly, 69th question also very important. Same type of question. Write 2 integers whose sum is less than both the integers. See children, here 69th, you can take any 2 negative integers. For example, minus 2 added to minus 3 if I take, gives me minus 5, where minus 5 is less than minus 2 also, and minus 5 is less than minus 3 also. Therefore, it has the chance of taking any two negative integers can be taken. So, this is question number 69. Then coming to the question number 70, write two distinct integers whose sum is equal to one of the integers. See, this is also very simple. If you take any two integers, but compulsory one out of them must be 0. For example, if I take 5, 5 plus 0 gives 5, where 5 is equal to one of the ident. So, we can say for this, any two integers where one among them as 0 will satisfy this. So, with this I will wind up the session of today's. I solved up to the question number 70. From 71 onwards, we will discuss in our next session. So, till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.